Hi, welcome to This Technique Tuesday. Today is Tuesday, February 6th, 2018. I have to look at the calendar here, on Monday, February 26th, we have Rosalie Glenn from the Natural Grocers. It's a health food store on the north side of Pueblo. She'll be here at 5 p.m. to talk about sugar cravings and just how you can keep your blood sugar level hopefully below 100, even if after you've eaten. Because when people's blood sugar spikes way too high, some people, it'll get into the 400s and they have to take their insulin, and it's just like a roller coaster. So I have this bag of almonds, and that can be a good snack because it has fairly low carbs, it has some protein and fat, so it'll keep your blood sugar at a pretty even keel, so it's not like this roller coaster that a lot of people will do when they get really hungry and all of a sudden they eat a candy bar and their blood sugar had dropped right before they ate the candy bar, and then it shoots up, and then it comes back down and they crash again, and they just keep repeating this. So what Rosalie Glenn is going to do from Vitamin Cottage is she's going to come here to our clinic 5 p.m. on Monday, February 26th, and it's basically, it is limited seating, so definitely call or come in and sign up. On our website you can do that as well. I think we have it on Facebook and all the different social media, so we want you to sign up for it so you can learn how to keep your blood sugar ideally at or below 100 all the time. That's kind of the magic number. If you can do that, you will live longer and live better. And definitely come and check out her workshop because you're going to learn a lot, and she'll be right here.